Hi everyone and welcome. In the last video we have covered that how you can create a backup of your neuron node, and after creating the backup how you can export that backup. So here is the backup which we have exported in the previous video. Now in this video we will see how you can import this backup, and then after importing how you can load this backup in the neuron software. Okay, so this is the topic which we are going to see in this video. So here is our neuron node. So let me log in. Okay, now we have exported the same backup, okay, which is available on my desktop. Now what I'm going to do is in the config section I'm going to delete this Modbus client module. Okay, so I am going to delete this and I'm going to save it. Okay, now we are going to import the previous backup, so that this Modbus client which we have deleted just now, that will be restored automatically with this backup. So you have to go to this node, okay, which is our node 001. We have to click on this manage backup. Now what we have to do is we have to click this import button to locate the backup, and then after we can load that backup into the neuron. So we are going to click the import button. Okay, and we are already on the desktop, and here you can see the backup which we have exported in the previous video. So we are going to double click here. Okay, and what name you are going to suggest for this new backup, that you have to specify here, and then you have to press OK. Okay, so we have successfully imported the backup, but we haven't loaded the backup yet. Okay, so if you are not loading the backup, then you can see we didn't have the Modbus client module here. So once you load the backup, you will have that Modbus client module inside this module section. So you have to click on this three dot, and then you have to load this backup. Okay, rollback on error, you have to take this, and you have to just press yes and restart selected modules. So you can see we have restored the Modbus client module here. So this is how you can import the exported backup in the neuron, and this is how you can load the backup in the neuron. Okay, so if you have any question or any doubt inside it, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Otherwise you can also send a mail, or you can also post comment on the comment section. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.